If you have an e-commerce site and you need to optimize your product descriptions, make sure to keep watching. Welcome to Casey's SEO. Now here are a few tips that you guys need to follow in order to optimize your product descriptions. First, you need to do some keyword research on what keywords people are searching for. Now I understand that these keywords may not fit your product, but if nobody is searching for the name of your product, then you're gonna have trouble selling that product in the first place. So you need to pick some keywords that people are actually searching for. Now these keywords may be quite generic, but as long as you can get them to your site, then you have a chance of selling your product. Once you have chosen your keywords that you're gonna be using for your product, make sure to add those keywords in the title. Generally that title will be your H1. Then you can move into an H2, which might be something a little bit more descriptive. Next, you will have your text or your product description. You want to give that customer enough information about that product to help them choose that product over maybe a competitor's product. So the more detail you can add into that product description will not only help that customer choose that product, and you'll have a lot more content with SEO related keywords, which should help you drive more traffic to that product. Now within that text, you can also add different interlinks to similar products or products that you think the customer would want to look at. And the last tip, make sure you optimize your images. You don't want to upload an image that is 6,000 by 6,000. It's only going to slow down your site. And for the most case, you're probably going to have multiple images for each product. And if you have 10 different images, then that will really slow down your site, which may make your customers upset. Once you get those images compressed, make sure to add an alt image tag. This tag could be something descriptive. You can add in some keywords, but just don't go crazy with keyword stuffing. So there you go. There are a few tips on how you can optimize your product descriptions. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more SEO tips.